Hello, my friends, and welcome back to your very own channel, Wall Street to Dalal Street. Today, I'm going to give a quick overview of the four-wheeler space and the best four-wheeler share which is available, and just give a quick chart check as well as some basic views and opinion. Of course, you got to do your own due diligence, guys, before investing in any of the shares. But these are blue chips which I'm talking about, so you can be rest assured and stay invested in these shares. So the first and of course the biggest 50% market share when it comes to passenger vehicles, guys. Every other household has a Maruti is such a big name, so how can you ignore this? And this was the time, mid June, July, when Reliance peaked out. If you check Reliance's chart, it has been consolidating for the whole last month between 2050 and 2150. So this is where the autos have picked up and driven the Nifty forward. And if you talk auto, look at the jump, 1000 plus points on Maruti. So that's a very decent 20% bump up which Maruti has given and driven the Nifty forward. So could it rise again? Probably could again consolidate and Reliance might take over, but over a 6 month view, could very well go to 8000 levels and could touch its previous high of 10,000 as well. If you see, this was the 10,000 level which it achieved in 2018 and all throughout 2019, close to 2019, in fact 2018, the whole of 2018 and 2017 it was trading at 10,000. So could very well jump up because the last 2 years the sales are increasing, 50% market share, very well reach those levels. Talking about Mahindra has been consolidating again very well. Let's look at a 3 month view, but look at it, not very good when it comes to, when compared to Maruti, just a 5-10% rise. So can happen that even Maruti takes a break now and then Mahindra, but the rally in Mahindra started early, as you can see the difference. The difference between Maruti and Mahindra is Mahindra started the rally early and is still trading at its almost 52-week highs. So I would think Maruti is the premier and better when compared to these two. And the dark horse. Now talking of the dark horse, which is Tata Motors. Recommended on this very channel at 100 levels, and if you see, there's a long way to go this. And they have recently launched Harrier. They've given a lot of new cars, and Tata is now focusing on the India story. They were like buzz that they're going to sell the Jaguar and all, and so could very well be the turnaround. So if you take my view, my personal view, I would be more biased on Tata Motors with a 2 year perspective, and you could look at doubling your money easily in Tata Motors. If it starts the rally, I'm sure it's gonna go to 200 levels and more, which is like, even from this rate is like 80-70% rise. So out of the three, I would say the safe conviction bet would be Maruti, but then the dark horse, or the one where you can invest a little bit, would be Tata Motors. So hope you like the video. Do subscribe and hit the like button.